Hello?
I know you're thinking John Wayne.
It is the only food I have for her. Please do not take it away from me.
White boy.
He's asking you nicely not to take his dog's food away.
I have no more food for my dog with that. Fuck that!
Bad karma.
You motherfucker!
Bad karma. Bad karma taking dog food. Dog food for a cat.
What is wrong with you motherfuckers? What country do you fucking work for?
They just took the guy's dog food.
Can I also grab the medical supplies? Oh, that plastic bag there.
Yeah, they let him. Parks. I thought parks were nice and green and happy and fun. All the flowers and stuff. Very funny. Fine.
They let him get some of the stuff out.
The only way is because we put up a stake. You didn't do it at the time it's your heart. You wouldn't. Well, he is honest. I think we may have had some. Alright. They let him get it back.
But they said it wasn't, nobody was with it, so.
If I knew the medical supplies were unattended, I would have been with them. May I grab the medical supplies?
Oh, come on, you let him get that far. Get him his stuff back. Don't be so principled on this crap. It's not worth it. This is what you're going to go home tonight, be proud of? It's like doing that? You're going to cuddle up with your wifey poo and say, oh,
Dude, don't aggravate him with that, man.
I just harassed a hippie today. It was so fun. Oh, man, you going to make him go somewhere to get it? How about right here?
Sir, can I grab the medical supplies?
I'll do the paperwork. I got plenty of paper. I got a pen. Let me just line them out. Man, that's a resourceful human being. You're making him go out of his way for his own property?
Just go in there and put the property.
Jesus Christ. That's such a waste. You guys are wasting your tax money. Don't make us waste our money.
Try tonight, but most of tomorrow's better.
Give me a second.
Your stuff?
That bag and that bag.
And the plastic bag is medical supplies. Do me a favor, can you just back up? It's not surrounding the officer right now. Do me a favor, just back up.
Come on. Last time.
So shady.
Can I please get the medical supplies? 1 second. Hold on, the officer.
Oh, well, we got the cops here. They took the kid's bag and there's dog food in it. And now they are keeping the property until they go pick shit up somewhere else. They let him get the dog food back, but his bags they're gonna keep until he goes picks it up at wherever the hell they store it.
To assist you. All it is messed up.